In the box you get the magic test fluid, the test tube to place on top of your cooling system opening, and a squeeze bulb to pull gases from the cooling system into the test tube. So now let's see if it works. Start with a cold engine so you don't burn yourself. If your engine is cold, you can remove the radiator cap, then remove some coolant because it can expand and get inside the tube, giving a force test. Then start the engine and place the block tester where the radiator cap goes. As you can see, the fluid is ice blue. Any change to green or yellow means there are exhaust gases in the coolant, which usually means a blown head gasket, but it can also be a cracked head or a cracked block. I already know my car has a blown head gasket. I checked it with a $30 inspection camera. I will link the video in the description. So now let me squeeze the bulb to pull air from the cooling system through the test fluid. And as you can see, the fluid went from ice blue to a greenish yellow. So there are exhaust gases in my cooling system. One thing I forgot to say is that you need to wait long enough for your thermostat to open up. If not, the exhaust gases will never reach the block tester. I totally recommend this product. It's a really good and cheap test to narrow down the problem before doing a big job like a head gasket. I will put all the link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.